a list of the items that I need to pack. Y'all know I can't just pack off my head. I have to write a list. He's right here with me, y'all. Every morning.
Now what am I supposed to do? Where won't you give? Won't you give? How can I put you for myself when I'm already someone's girl?
What's up, y'all? Welcome and welcome back for another video. Happy Friday. We are out of town, not really just too far. We are like 45 minutes away. Anyway, Joshua is in Pizza Hut picking us up some lunch. It is 12:38. Jamarie, my little button, is in the back. Let me see if y'all can see him. Can y'all see him? Yeah, y'all can. Okay. He is in the back hanging out. Y'all, it look like it is about to storm out here. Like, storm. It's looking pretty bad. I know it's supposed to be 100% of rain from 1 to 2 o'clock. And then after that, it's supposed to drop down to 70%. Who knows? This is Houston weather. So, you know, it's up in the air. But, yeah, y'all. That's basically what we got going on today. Probably by the time we get back towards home, we have to pick up Solomon from school. Today was pajama day. He put on his pajamas. He was so excited. It was a little cool, so I put on his long sleeve uniform shirt underneath his pajamas so he wouldn't be too cold. And let me think what else we got to do today. Joshua is supposed to be babysitting his little cousin, Aria. Y'all saw that we went to Aria's 6th birthday in a previous vlog. And we're supposed to have her until, I think, tomorrow after her mother gets done with a test. A very important test that she has to take. So, we're going to be getting her later on. And, yeah, y'all, that's about it. Oh, my oldest kids, my 2 oldest, are going to be in Dallas. And hopefully we'll get to drive down there to see them. I have to speak to their father to see, you know, how they got everything going or whatever. I'm not trying to crash their plans because it's their grandfather's birthday. So they're doing a whole birthday party and all that good stuff. So, yeah, y'all, but if we go to Dallas to see them, you guys, of course, are going to come with us. So, yeah, y'all, I'll keep y'all updated on that. But, yeah, I'm currently waiting for Joshua to come out of Pizza Hut. And, yeah, welcome to the vlog. Joshua got the goods. He got something to drink. Oh, wait, not that. Oh, you know I'm going for the Dr. Pepper because I don't fool with mug root beer. That, what, let me see. This right here, blasphemy. We only drink Barks. Well, we as in me, I only drink Barks, but I'll take this good old Dr. Pepper. What'd you order, my love? Pan pizza?
Pan, half pepperoni.
Ooh, did you get cheesy bread?
Cheesy bread.
Ooh.
I started to get some wings, but they want $10 for 6 wings.
Child, they better get off that gas.
We're not doing that, Pizza Hut. We not doing that.
Child, they better get off that gas. But that's all in inflation, child. That is all in inflation. But, yeah, y'all, we gonna just sit out here and eat our lunch and talk it up and enjoy each other's company. So, I'll hit y'all up whenever we get our pizza. Blue Bear got the goods.
Drop on the bread. Ooh, the cheesy bread.
Cheesy bread. Okay.
The cheesy bread is phenomenal.
It's really good.
Whoa, that's how they do it?
No, it should come up.
Yeah,
look.
Oh, look, I'm about to rip the
That's
bag
the
open. Ooh. I'm looking kind of righteous. Out of sight, shit.
All right, y'all. We just got done eating, and we're about to head back towards home. Because like I said, by the time we make it back towards our side of town, it's going to be time to pick up Solomon from school. So we're just going to go straight over there. And then we're going to hit up Joshua's cousin Gina to see when she wants us to get her daughter and stuff like that. So yeah, y'all, and it is currently raining, as y'all can see. So I'll holla at y'all when we pick up Saya.
Left footsteps in the mud so you can follow me. Yeah, so bad it hold it was. I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, still bring you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no.
What's up, y'all? It is much later. We are back at the house, y'all. It was so flooded and raining so hard on our way coming back home. It was like past ridiculous. It flooded so bad we had to ask Princess to pick Solomon up from school because we had to go slow in the traffic because it was raining so hard. Like, ridiculous. Now Solomon is home. Him and Jamarie is in his room. I put Jamarie in his little bouncer seat and he watches Solomon while he plays. That's entertainment for him. Joshua just left to go to work. And yeah, y'all, I'm about to catch up on some YouTube videos because I have some free time right now. And that's about all we have going on. Oh, we don't have to get Joshua's little cousin Aria. I think she's gonna go to her aunt's house or something like that. So we're basically in the crib chilling. I was responding to some of y'all's comments, and y'all are saying that y'all are really y'all are saying that y'all are ready for Vlogmas, and I am too, y'all. Like, I have so many cute ideas that I want to put into place, so I'm trying to work on that now so I won't have to worry about that when Vlogmas does roll around. So yeah, y'all, so I'm just about to, let me zoom in. Let me log into my profile. Oh my goodness, subscriptions. This is everybody. I think who got a video I need to watch? Up, Ashley. Gonna start watching her vlog. So yeah, y'all. Alright, y'all. It is Jamarie's tummy time. And this is the little dome that my best friend gave to me for Jamarie. Hold on, Papa. Ugh. Hold on, Papa. This. Come on, Papa. I'm gonna lay him in it. Ugh. There you go. Take your toy. This is a little toy that Josh's friend bought for him that he likes to play with. So he gonna play with this. All right, Marie. All right, Papa. Yeah. Getting a little bit too big. You can play in this when you can sit up, but laying down, you almost bought it down. Y'all, I got Jamarie's bottle warming up. But look at our microwave, y'all. This is the one we got from Target, and it looks good. Yes, baby.
It can cook like popcorn.
It was much needed.
pizza.
Child, the condition of the other one. We not even gonna talk about the way the other one was looking. It was terrible, child. But I got Jamarie's bottle warming up, and now I'm about to put his clothes in the wash because they have been sitting here since yesterday. And I am also working on editing this video, so I'm about to put these clothes in the wash, and then I think I'm gonna end the video because I'm gonna be starting another one. So I'm gonna already close it out right here. If you made it to this point, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing to the channel. It will help me out a lot. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.